Hey guys, in this video, we're exposing the truth behind Audiofy.site, a website that's recently gone viral for claiming it pays users $35 per hour to review Spotify songs. Sounds like a dream job, right? But let's dig into the details to see if it's real or just another internet scam. Audiofy.site presents itself as a music promotion platform that partners with Spotify to pay everyday users for listening to and reviewing songs. According to the site, you just sign up, start listening, leave feedback, and watch your balance grow. They even show earnings dashboards and recent payouts to make it look legit. But here's the catch. None of it adds up. First, Spotify has no affiliation with Audiofy.site. There are no official announcements, job listings, or partnerships linking the two. Second, the site requires you to invite a certain number of friends or complete tasks before you can withdraw your earnings. This is a huge red flag. These are classic hallmarks or referral-based scams that are designed to go viral while never actually paying anyone. Users who try to cash out report getting stuck in endless verification loops or seeing their accounts locked. Some are even asked to pay small processing fees, another sign of a fraudulent operation. The site may use fake testimonials and payout screenshots to build trust, but real users say they've never seen a dime. So, is Audiofy.site a legit opportunity or a scam? It's a scam. There's no real Spotify reviewer job paying $35 per hour. Audiofy.site uses the promise of easy money to collect your data, get free promotion through referrals, and possibly trick users into paying fees. Avoid it entirely, and don't fall for similar get paid to listen schemes unless they come from verified reputable sources. And that would be all for our review video. Thanks for watching.